Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we will discuss the backgrounds tool within the MySawgrass design program. When it comes to backgrounds there are two different options available to you. You have the option of working with solid colored backgrounds as well as patterned backgrounds depending on your needs. With solid color options you can either choose between any of the preset color swatches or you can always use the advanced color tool to expand your color choices. When using the advanced color tool, you will combine the spectrum tool and the spot tool to get whatever shade of color you need for the background of your project. You also have the option to type in color codes if you need to be precise with the colors you are adding to your project. You can use hex codes, RGB codes, or CMYK codes depending on your preference. In addition to those solid colors, there are also plenty of patterned backgrounds available to you. These patterned backgrounds are a bit more fully developed in their artwork, and as you can see, there are different styles and themes available. You can sort through these different patterns by scrolling until you find what you need. If you are ever looking for something more specific, there is a search bar and filtering tool available that will help you navigate the different collections and find what you're looking for. Backgrounds marked with a diamond icon are exclusive to the premium version of the MySawgrass design program. Please also know you are not exclusively limited to the backgrounds that we offer. If you have your own patterns that you would like to add to your project, you can upload any of the supported file types and it will upload that file and then make that file the background for your project. It will also save the file into the My Gallery section of the design program for future use as well. I recommend exploring the different categories of patterns. Please keep in mind that we are always adding new material, so check back periodically. If you need to remove a background from a project, hit the trash can symbol and it will take the background off your project. Backgrounds are embedded into the design so you can delete your background without worrying about other elements you have added to the project. That is all for today. See you next time.